Kenneth, Venezuela, Kenneth, ikaw.
At least kabog sila. Hindi sila makabog.
Fresh pa rin sila.
1, 2, 3, go.
We have the same size. So what?
Parehong.
Yes.
So, we are witnessing
why,
so Mexico and Venezuela wearing their couture gowns. Stephanie wearing Michael Cinco again.
Okay, a little higher, a little higher.
Okay.
Little high down.
Can you put it like
A little higher, do you say?
So beautiful.
So, Aima.
Venezuela. Hermosa. Hold on. Oh my God, it's here there. Tarawa. Our country. Okay.
The strongest candidates from Latin community.
Yes! Di ba Latino?
Because
Latino.
la 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 la.